Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and if you watch me, you know that I love serving up tons of dishes off the Blackstone family style. I love having friends and family over, and I am fixing to have a brunch for my parents that are coming over, so I'm gonna quickly throw together a charcuterie board full of some sweet, some savory, some pick-ons. It's gonna be perfect to start off our Sunday fun day. So we're going to start with the potatoes since they take the longest. I have some baby Yukon potatoes or baby golden potatoes, and I'm just going to quarter these up, and I'm going to dice up a white onion, and I'm going to just cook these together in a little mixture of olive oil and butter. Let that go low and slow because I need the time to get everything else prepared. So we need to get our pancakes ready to make. We just want to mix these about 10 minutes before we throw them down onto the Blackstone. This way the batter gets to incorporate and fluff up some. This is a really thick, fluffy pancake. We have our dry ingredients. We have all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. I use pink sea salt. To that I'm adding whole milk regat cheese, eggs, milk. I almost forgot the milk. So I gotta add the milk to that. You can add either almond or vanilla extract. I'm picking almond. I really love the flavor that it gives my pancakes. Mix that all together, and then we're just gonna set that aside to incorporate and let just rest and get all nice and fluffy before we cook them on the Blackstone. Now we wanna throw on this beautiful breakfast meat that I got from the Amish market. I have some Canadian bacon, I have some Italian sausage links, I have some maple sausage links. I really like the way the Italian sausage links pair up with my Italian eggs, and then I want the maple sausage to pair up with my sweet pancakes, and then I have some pepper bacon. And I love the fact that a charcuterie board offers so many different options for whatever you feel like eating. I'm gonna let those meats start cooking on the Blackstone while my potatoes are still cooking, and then I'm gonna get my eggs ready. For our scrambled eggs, I'm dicing up just a couple fresh garden tomatoes that I just picked out of my yard. These are gonna cook together with some fresh basil. Our basil, now we have to chiffonade, or you can just call it ribbon like me. The boys call it chiffonade, I call it ribbon. I know chiffonade's right, but I like to just cut them into ribbons. I think they look like confetti, and that's why I call it ribbons. Crack our eggs, get them all ready, add to your eggs either half and half or heavy whipping cream or milk, anything to help fluff those eggs up. We want super sexy, gorgeous, silky eggs on our Blackstone. Whip them together. We're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil down onto our Blackstone on low heat. And then we're gonna throw those tomatoes on there. They're gonna instantly sizzle. To that, you just need a little bit of salt and pepper. Tomatoes love salt. You could do a little bit of garlic powder. And then we're gonna turn off those burners, and we're gonna add our eggs into those tomatoes and let them just cook slow with that residual heat since we turned off all of our burners. This way we don't get any of those brown, overcooked marks on our eggs. We don't want that. We want fluffy, sexy eggs. Remember, when they're just about done, add about 3/4 of your basil, reserving some just to finish off at the end as a little bit of a garnish. So for a little bit of spice, I'm gonna just fry up 2 long hots that I just have on hand. This is perfect for my theme of my charcuterie board, which is clearly a little bit of Italian, sweet, savory, spicy. I have Italian sausage, which I really love pairing up with the scrambled eggs. Now that things are starting to get done on the Blackstone and I gotta move on to my pancakes, I'm gonna start to assemble my charcuterie board. Pick out a beautiful serving tray or cutting board that you like. You can make yours as big or small as you want, depending on how many people you're feeding. So we're gonna pull off our meat and our potatoes that are done, and then we're gonna start making our pancakes. Our pancakes go down, they take a couple seconds. You know when they're ready to flip when all the bubbles rise to the top. To finish off our charcuterie board, we have to fill in all of these little blank spots, kind of like an art project on a canvas or something. So we want to make sure that we add some fruit. Nuts are great. I love chocolate on all of my charcuterie boards, no matter what time of day it is. So I have a little bit of dark chocolate with sea salt. I have pistachios. I have some beautiful blackberries, and I have some dried oranges, which will complement the orange regat pancakes. I have a beautiful cantaloupe that I'm just gonna slice and add that to fill in all those holes. And there's that. That's my charcuterie board, and everybody's just about here, so it's perfect timing. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. You enjoy your day and go make a charcuterie. Serve it up to your family, serve it up to your friends, or make one for yourself. You can make them small, you can make them large, you can make them as crazy and as overloaded as you want. But I would love to see your charcuterie, so be sure to go make one, post it, tag me Blackstone Betty, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.